Okay, it is done. Let's see if it'll turn back on again. See, watch this. Woohoo! I had a little mishap assembling it. I don't know, something wasn't quite squoozed together right, and then I dropped a little glue on it, and then it was sticking up over here so the cover wouldn't go on. It was a disaster, so I had to like partially pry it apart and chop out a little plastic here and there, try to clean off some of the super glue and take some strong clamps and clamp it back together, and then glue it again. And then the battery is kind of just squeezing in there so the ejector doesn't work. I think what I'm going to have to do to fix that, because it's also massively glued together now, is squeeze the battery in with, let's say, a little shim stock, and then hit this section with a heat gun and let it relax itself into a proper clearance. Yeah, I'll show you how it comes apart. If I can. Yeah, this thing turned out nice. Not perfect, but okay for now. See, this is back up to 83. The light is much brighter when the thing is not on. Yeah. I'm actually going to nip the plug off the back of this, get the whole thing off there. It'll make it much flatter. Just solder the wires onto it. All right.